If you are trying to get a government job in the USA and don't know where to start, this video might save you months or even years of frustration. Types of government jobs. So, not all government jobs in the USA are the same. And this is where most beginners get confused. So, there are three main types you need to understand. First is the federal jobs, which are of the highest level. Now, these are jobs with national government. Examples include United States Postal Service, Transportation Security Administration, Federal Bureau of Investigation. Number 2, state government jobs, which is of balanced level. And various examples are mentioned like state police, public health workers, state administrative roles. Number 3, local government jobs. Now this one is the easiest entry. These jobs are in your city or county. So have a look at the examples. Where to apply? Most people make their first mistake here. The main website is USAJOBS.gov. But that's not the only one. You should also check the listed websites. Smart applicants apply on multiple platforms. Eligibility. Before applying, check this carefully. US citizenship, background checks, education requirements, experience level. You must be aware about the competition reality. So you are going to compete against experienced candidates, internal employees, veterans, that is, who get preference. So this is why strategy matters more than effort. This was all. Thanks for watching.